Da da da. Giving some Oreos for my baby. For my baby. Getting an Oreo.
What kind of Oreo is it?
Just regular ones, the ones you always eat.
The mint?
Hmm?
The mint?
Huh?
The mint or the white one?
It's the white one. It's just the white one. Here. Oh, man. The top one's the best one. I'm not recording you. I'm playing a game.
What is that?
It's just an Oreo, dude. Bite it.